If ever a minefield existed in New Testament studies, the two questions of which synoptic gospel came first and what sources did the synoptic gospels have surely qualify. The literature on this subject is immense, but much of it does not actually analyze the data fresh. Instead, it takes the twin findings of Markan priority and a so-called Q document for granted. In this upcoming series, I'll present an analysis and defense of my own theory of how the synoptic gospels were related. Here are my points of hypothesis for the series, which will begin after the first of the new year.